What would you guys think if I told you that there is a secret weapon which makes you resell your cars 10 times easier than usual? A tool so powerful it makes every client want to buy your car on the first look. Well, yes, a tool like this truly exists, and in this video I will reveal to you what this tool is, what it does, where you can buy it, and also how to correctly use it. But first of all, before showing you guys the tool, we are going to need some cars to resell. For that, I just used my local marketplaces and I found 2 cars which I could resell really good. So, I went ahead and called my best friend.
Yo, Sami.
And together, we went on a little 1-hour trip to go and pick up the cars. We are here, we picked up the car, now we're fueling up because it's a long way home. Definitely needs a wash. Very nice!
Fastest boy. The next day.
Okay guys, we got the 2 cars at my house. But before we can go ahead and start using this special tool, we first need to go and get the cars cleaned. This is a very crucial step, which you should never skip, otherwise our special tool won't work, or even worse, it could have a negative effect on your car. So let's not skip this part and let's go ahead and go to the car wash.
Oh my god, stop bro, I'm stuck!
We rinsed the cars and they look way better. Honestly, it's such a big improvement. Back home to my house. After cleaning and drying off the cars, we can finally start using our special tool.
Let's go.
And the special tool that I have been talking about from the start of this video is this polishing machine from Rupees. And note, I am not sponsored. Now you might ask me guys, why are we doing this? Well, the answer is simple. By polishing your car, you can remove imperfections and scratches from your car's paint, which will leave your cars looking like brand new, which is good for us. I ordered my polishing machine online, and it cost me around 400 to 500 euros. Hold up, just a second. I know what you guys might be saying right now. Sami, 500 bucks? I can't even buy food for my cat, and you want me to spend 500 bucks on this machine? Well, trust me, this tool makes a day and night difference. I can tell you guys from my own personal experience that I had multiple clients come by, look at a car, and they fell in love instantly just because the paint was really clean. And if you look at it, you only need to sell 1 car to afford this machine. And if you do a good job, you even might be left with some profit. Like in my case. From the 2 cars that me and my best friend sold in this video, we could buy this machine 4 times. Anyway, let me show you guys how this thing even works. The car on which we're gonna be testing our polishing machine is my very own 1.9 liter TDI Seat Toledo. And sadly my car, which I bought maybe like 2-3 weeks ago, has this little dent and these scratches on it. But I'm very confident that this polishing machine can get these scratches out of the paint. So let's go and try it. Okay, let's test if this works. I hope this is set up the right way. So now, after making a big mess, I was able to clean everything up really nicely, and I'm honestly shocked at the result. I did not expect it to be this good. This machine works wonders, guys, trust me. And now that I showed you how the polishing machine works, let's go back to the 2 cars from earlier. We finished by polishing both cars, taking pictures of them and listing them online. And within 2 weeks both cars were sold. And now let's come to a conclusion. Yes, the polishing machine is very expensive, but it will last you a very long time. It even comes with warranty, and the results are freaking amazing. So, if you're looking to flip multiple cars in the future, just look at it as an investment, which definitely pays out. Now it's up to you if this machine makes sense for you or not.